Dan Oka back. So I just showed a video just a few minutes ago, reference how my RFID tag and IR sensor, IR receiver, don't work together when inside the remote control car for project 5C. But they work when they were in isolation. And the only difference that I had was a couple of the pins that I'm using. In particular, the SDA pin and the reset pin on the RFID reader here were in different pins than they were here. So now I've made the same pin out by changing the wiring a little bit, and we're going to try this again. So if I use the IR remote, nothing's happening. Why? Because I haven't activated it by getting granted access with the right card.